Couldn't try to make myself alive. I see your eyes that couldn't lie. Happens all the time. Can you tell me I can get you off my mind? My mind.
Come and get it,
Hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna say. Listen to what I'm about to say. You won't find the answer. This energy that's within me. No need too much to say. It's so pretty, I see me go. Body, picture perfect movie, something fills me. I don't want it. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I need to break it to you, but if this road is over, let me. Try another guy. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. But I sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. In a crowded message, shine the star is mine. My own mind. Forever without you and I. Space. We don't need that. Let's sound slow and space. Fade to black is now our face to face. This energy that's within me will never let you stay. It's so pretty, I see me glow in your body. Picture perfect movie, dreamt that fills me. I don't want it and this. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I need to break it to you, but if this road is over, let me. Dance. You ready? Go! Baby, don't you worry, as long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I won't be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me walk you straight through story, we won't have to live this road. It's all everything. Can you read the room? Market! Can you read the room? Don't break it to you, but if this road is over, let me. Again, gusto ko pasalamatan lahat ng mga bumubuo para maging successful. Again, One's Entertainment, Market, Ayala Malls, maraming salamat. And of course, our official ninang McDonald's, maraming salamat po. 18, thank you so much. Berries, maraming salamat po.
Stan!
3, thank you so much. Ha?
Balibag!
Yun! Alam nyo, sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan ko, namimili kasi ako ng ibabalibag.
Stan! Wag na!
Pero okay lang ba? This time, dahil last tour na to, last stop, okay lang ba lahat kayo ibalibag ko? Okay lang ba sabay-sabay ko kayong ibalibag? Ha? Hindi, magiging history to. Pag lahat kayo nabalibag ko ng
Sige
sabay-sabay.
nga!
Madali lang naman yung gagawin yung step. Okay lang ba? Pagbibigyan niyo ba ako o hindi?
Hindi!
Pagbibigyan niyo ako, hindi.
Pag-ibigyan! Ikaw
Okay
po
lang
ba?
ba? Sige na, market, pagbigyan mo. Isa na. Ganito lang yung gagawin nyo. So, una, ipapaling nyo yung katawan nyo dito. Okay? Tapos yung next dito. Tapos yung next, babalik dito. Tapos yung pang-apat, para kayong hihiga. Tapos tatayo kayo. Ganun lang, okay lang ba?
No!
Try ulit natin.
No!
5, 6,